हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे टॉपिक 5 न्यूट्रिएंट्स। ठीक है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स बायोलॉजी का, जूलॉजी का, बायोलॉजी में जूलॉजी का 5th यूनिट है, 5th चैप्टर है, बोल सकते हैं ऐसे। टू मेंटेन लाइफ ऑर्गेनिज्म परफॉर्म सम बेसिक्स फंक्शंस इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिशंस। तो लाइफ ऑर्गेनिज्म को सम बेसिक फंक्शंस को परफॉर्म करने के लिए हमें न्यूट्रिशन चाहिए। न्यूट्रिशन इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फंक्शन ऑफ लाइफ in which intake of food, digestion, absorption, assimilations, and ingestion of undigested foods are included. Nutrient are the substance by which an organism get energy or it is used for biosynthesis of its body. ठीक है, for example carbohydrate and fat. Carbohydrate and fat are the source of energy. ठीक है, these are the source of energy, whereas proteins and minerals are the nutrients used for biosynthesis. ठीक है, पहला क्या है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स are organic compounds in which the ratio of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is 1:2:1. Carbohydrate is in the form of sugar and starch and major intake in animals and human. ठीक है, 50 to 75% energy is obtained by oxidation of carbohydrate. ठीक है, carbohydrate containing aldehyde group is called aldose and with ketone group is called the ketose. Carbohydrates are derivatives of polyhydroxy alcohols. ठीक है, classification of carbohydrates are classified into 3 major groups. Monosaccharides, these are the simple sugar made up of single polyhydroxy or ketone unit. Most abundant monosaccharides found in nature is glucose containing 6 carbon atom. Triose, tetrose, pentoses, heptoses are the type of monosaccharides. ठीक है, glucose is a type of hexose sugar. The sweetest sugar is fructose. Oligosaccharides, when 2 to 10 monosaccharides join together they form oligosaccharides. They are usually crystalline in nature and sweet in taste. Maltose, sucrose, lactose are disaccharides made up of 2 monosaccharides. ठीक है, polysaccharides क्या होता है? These are the compound of sugar which are formed due to joining large number of monosaccharides. ठीक है, they are insoluble and tasteless. Some example of polysaccharides are starch, glycogen, cellulose, chitin, etc. Function of carbohydrate का फंक्शन क्या आता है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स वर्क्स एज फ्यूल. ठीक है, वो फ्यूल का काम करता है. ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन ग्लूकोज ब्रेक डाउन इनटू CO2 and H2O with the release of energy. 1 gram of glucose gives 4.2 kilocalories energy. ठीक है, glucose is the source of immediate energy production in the cells. Nucleic acids are the polymers of nucleosides and nucleosides containing pentose sugar. Lactose of milk is formed from glucose and galactose. Glucose is used for the formation of fat and amino acid. Carbon skeleton of monosaccharides is used in the formation of fatty acid, chitin, cellulose, etc. Source of carbohydrate: wheat, rice, maize, sweet potato and other plant and animals are the sources of carbohydrate. ठीक है, protein word was first used by J. Berzelius. This is a complex organic compound made up of 20 type of amino acids. Approximately 50% of human body is made up of protein. Okay, human body जो है उसको 15% जो होता है ना वो मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन से बना हुआ रहता है. नाइट्रोजन इज प्रेजेंट इन प्रोटीन in addition to C, H and O. Nitrogen is essential for protein synthesis. 20 types of amino acids are necessary for human body, out of which 12 are synthesized by body itself and the remaining 8 are obtained by food, called the essential amino acid. ठीक है, types of protein on the basis of chemical composition it is divided into 3 टाइप के होते हैं. Simple protein, it consists of amino acids, albumins, globulins, stones, etc. Conjugated protein having some Another chemical compounds in addition to amino acid. Example chromoprotein, glycoprotein, etc. Third होता है derived protein. It is derived from the partial digestion of natural proteins or its hydrolysis. Example peptide, proteins, etc. Animal protein is called a first class protein because it contains all the essential amino acids. It contains all essential amino acids. Function of protein: it takes part in the formation of cells, protoplasma, and tissues. These are the important for physical growth. Physical growth hampers by its deficiency. Lack of proteins causes quasi oral and Marmoset diseases in children. In case of necessity, these provide energy to the body, control the development of genetic characters, helpful in conduction also. Quasi core. In this disease, hands and legs of children get slimmed and the stomach comes out, caused by deficiency protein diet. Marasmus in this raises muscles of children are lucente caused by protein deficiency. Some diseases caused by deficiency of proteins and their sources. पढ़ेंगे हम उसको. Biological catalysts are protein molecules known as enzyme which speed up chemical reaction, remain unchanged after reaction, optimally function at 37 degrees Celsius. Human nails are made up of protein, keratin. Soybean is the richest source of protein. Fats is an ester of glycerol and fatty acids. In these, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are present in different quantities but proportionally less oxygen than carbohydrate. Normally, fat remains as solid at 20 degrees Celsius temperature, but if it is in liquid form at this temperature, this is called oil. Fatty acids are of two types: saturated and unsaturated. Unsaturated fatty acids are found in fish oil and vegetable oil. Only coconut oil and palm oil are the examples of saturated oil. 9.3 kilocalorie energy is liberated from 1 gram fat. Normally, an adult person should get 20 to 30% of energy from fat. Main function of fat: it provides energy to the body. It remains under the skin and prevents the loss of heat from the body. It makes the food material dusty. It protects different parts of the body from injury. Due to the lack of fat, skin gets dried, weight of the body decreases, and development of the body. Due to the excessiveness of fat, the body gets fatty. Heart disease takes place, and blood pressure increases. And CDT is defined as oxidation of fat and oils that change the taste and smell of food. Vitamins was invented by Sir F.G. Hopkins. The term vitamin was coined by Funk. Okay. Vitamins are organic compound required in minute quantities. No calories is obtained from it, but it is very important in regulating chemical reactions in the metabolism of the body. Okay. On the basis of solubility, vitamins are of two types. दो टाइप के विटामिन होते हैं. विटामिन सॉल्युबल इन वाटर. ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. विटामिन सॉल्युबल इन वाटर कौन से विटामिन होते हैं? बी और सी जो होते हैं वो वाटर सॉल्युबल विटामिन होते हैं. ठीक है, ये वाटर सॉल्युबल विटामिन होते हैं बी और सी. और फैट सॉल्युबल विटामिन कौन से होते हैं? ए, डी, ई एंड के आर द फैट सॉल्युबल ऑफ वह फैट सॉल्युबल विटामिन होते हैं. ठीक है. द डिजीज़ का डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन एंड देयर सोर्सेज, ये चार्ट भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत बार ये क्वेश्चन आ चुका है. और इसमें ये B12 जो होता है ना, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है. सारे ही इम्पोर्टेंट है एक तरह से. ये आप लोग ये चार्ट देख लेना और पढ़ के जाना. ये बहुत 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 वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट है. वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. हर एग्ज़ाम में ये क्वेश्चंस इन पे विटामिन पे आते ही हैं. ठीक है. और cobalt is found in vitamin B12. ठीक है. Synthesis of vitamin cannot be done by the cells and it is fulfilled by the vitamin containing food. how a synthesis of vitamin D and K takes place in our body. Bleeding gum, falling of teeth, wrinkle bones, delayed wound healing occur due to deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin D sun में ज़्यादा रहता है. Deficiency of calcium mainly occur in the absence of vitamin D. Okay, lemon, orange, tomato, sources ये तो sources हैं. Synthesis of vitamin D takes place in the ultraviolet rays present in the sunlight through cholesterol of the skin. Vitamin D2 is known as the ergocalciferol. Vitamin K is synthesized in our colon by the bacteria, and from there it is absorbed. Vitamin A is mainly stored in liver. Minerals क्या होता है? Mineral is a homogeneous inorganic material needed for body which control the metabolism of body. ठीक है, ये important minerals हैं और उसके functions है कुछ. Daily quantity minerals, normal short fish, meat, eggs are the main source. ठीक है, calcium very small quantity, magnesium vegetable. Deficiency of fluoride lead to mottling of teeth. Presence in excess of fluorine in water causes fluorosis. To reduce both decay, most toothpastes contain fluoride. Deficiency of molybdenum affects the activity of nitrogenous nitrate reductants and fluoride reductants in plant. Hard and layer of teeth. Think calcium hydroxyapatite. Deficiency of calcium and iron is generally found in pregnant women. ठीक है, water. Human get it by drinking. Water is the important component of our body. 75% weight or the body is water. ठीक है, main function of water. Water controls the temperature of our body by sweating and vaporizing. It is the important way of excretion of the excreted substance from the body. Maximum chemical reactions in the body performed through hydrolysis. ठीक है, balanced diet होता है that nutrition in which all the important nutrients for organism are available in sufficient quantity is called a balanced diet. Balanced nutrition is obtained from balanced diet which is given in the chart below. ठीक है, तो ये चार्ट दिया हुआ है. ग्रेन कितना होना चाहिए एडल्ट मेल में 52 ग्रेन, नॉर्मल में 400 ग्रेन मेल हार्ड एंड. ठीक है, चिल्ड्रन में कितना होते हैं एडल्ट मेल ये में एडल्ट मेल के लिए है, चिल्ड्रन के लिए, बॉय और गर्ल्स के लिए, जो छोटे छोटे बच्चों के लिए. ठीक है, बीटी ब्रिंजल इज जनरली मॉडिफाइड वेजिटेबल रिसेंटली बीइंग मेड अवेलेबल इन इंडियन मार्केट. ठीक है, नेसेसरी कैलोरी फॉर ए ह्यूमन बीइंग. नेचर ऑफ वॉक मेल फीमेल. तो लाइट वॉक के लिए लाइट वर्क करते हैं तो 2000 कैलोरी होनी चाहिए और फीमेल 2100 कैलोरी. 8 आवर्स अगर वर्कर है तो 3000 कैलोरी होनी चाहिए और फीमेल 2500 कैलोरी. हार्ड वर्कर है तो 3600 कैलोरी और 3000 कैलोरी. सोडियम बेंजोएट इज़ यूज्ड एज अ preservative to preserve food item. Milk is not considered as a complete food due to lack of vitamin C and iron. ठीक है, कंप्लीट फूड नहीं कहा जाता ड्यू टू विटामिन सी एंड आयरन के लैक के कारण. नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे हम लोग ह्यूमन डिजीज़. नेक्स्ट 6 टॉपिक और 6 टॉपिक आई थिंक इट्स फाइनल टॉपिक होगी हमारी. उसके बाद एक टॉपिक है जो कि हम लोग कवर कर लेंगे 7 टॉपिक. वो इजी होगी, वो ज़्यादा वो इस उस चैप्टर्स के समरी टाइप की होगी. ठीक है, सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. We will connect on next video. Goodbye.